Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Icar University, Meghalaya.
Behdeiñkhlam ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi District Unit Balam Khamat the Organizing Secretary Usamla Baya Shanlang Kharshan Lor Kila Khang Tala Sindon Yaka Office Rekam Director ka ICR Umyam But Belut Ikinong Tre Nagashlem Jong ka ICR Kabadan ha Umyam Namar ka Jing Bumburam ka Jonggi Yaka Jing Primera Shuti ka Sarkar Yaka Le Nyam Behdeiñkhlam Haga Khandai Trik Unai Tung Araja Pun Rio Behdeiñkhlam ka KSU Umyam Circle But ka KSU Eastern Border Area Kibala yo jingtip baka office ICR kala pelong tray hakan digasngi marmar kila len da ka jingtmu banyak Kren director ba on buram ya ka le nyam Behdeiñkhlam Henry da keno about director ula Kren bahe bat Kren Meng kat hadu bakala mi kathmak tin hapreng Behdeiñkhlam jong ka seng bat director
State holidays because we are.
Please come outside. Please come outside.
Listen, you are just wait.
Please come outside.
Come.
Please come. Come down first. Come down first.
Be happy. Why you are so tension?
No.
Go. Discuss thing.
Morning time you have come.
The morning night.
Sure.
You know that procedure. You know.
You didn't even
Know the procedure.
You didn't even give us 5 minutes this morning.
No. I was. Official procedure. You are educated person. You are educated person.
No. Khang, wait, Khang.
Wait. Let us go.
No.
Yes. Go. Let's go. You pull down. We can have a issue. Why you are so stable? Yes. Go outside. Why you are so stable?
No.
Let us have a talk. Why you are
No.
Go outside. Why you are blowing?
This morning we came. He didn't even.
When you came?
That commerce was here. She also was here.
No. There is a way. No. There is a way.
There's a way. There's a money.
Go outside.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.